Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Kristen. Welcome. Today we're doing my Walmart beauty box unboxing for the summer. Came in the mail today, so if you guys want to see what's inside, then keep watching. So if you don't know what the Walmart beauty box is, it's a seasonal subscription service. It's like $5.99 or $6.99 seasonally, so total it's like $25 because you have to factor in shipping and tax and stuff. But I love this. I think it's great if you're just getting into subscription boxes, because it is mostly sample sizes, and again, of how affordable it is, or if you have like a daughter or someone wanting to get into beauty and skincare, this is also great for that. All right, enough chit chat, let's open this up. One thing I also wanted to mention is I never know what's in this. Like, you don't know. It's always a surprise. So let's open it. Ooh. All right. I'm seeing some good products. First up, we have these nails from Salon Perfect. Really pretty color. I'm going to give these to my friend because she loves to do press-on nails. I do my own gels, so she'll really like these. Next is the serum from number 7. This is their Restore and Renew Face and Neck Multi-Action Serum. This is full size. I like how I said this is a sample box, and this is like all full-size products, so I'm excited to try this guy out. Next is a mini butter bronzer from Physicians Formula. I guess you could say this is the sample, but how cute, and it's a butter bronzer, so any size butter bronzer is great because this is an amazing bronzer, and I can smell it through the little carton. I love the smell of this. Next up, we got some Mighty Patches. There are 6 in here. I love these. These are the best. And last, I got a CoverGirl Yummy Gloss in the shade Flamingo Pink. I did do a whole swatch and review of these, and I really did like them. I don't know if I have Flamingo Pink. I feel like I do, but I can't remember. But I really like these glosses. They're really good. If you have not gotten any yet, you have to try them. I'll leave the video down below if you want to check it out. And that's everything for my Walmart beauty box. I think this is the best Walmart beauty box I have ever received. I am so insanely happy with this. You guys have no idea. I'm so excited to use everything. That is it for this video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below by hitting that red button. Let me know what you thought of the video in the comments. Leave me video suggestions. I would love to know what you guys want to see in the future. Follow me on all my social media. That's always down below in the description box. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.